Hi guys, this is Zawardi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to make simple DIY face mask without using a machine and stitching. So let's start. All you need are big handkerchief or bandana and a 14cm elastic band. Fold your bandana into 3 folds as shown in this video. Tie a knot those elastic bands and insert it on each side of the bandana. And you're done! You can now use your DIY face mask. Thanks for watching and see you in my next DIY projects. Please subscribe!